It's here for me, Mamuni Akwaba, Eba Melodies TV. So, video be go viral over social media, and then you are seeing the video right in front of you. Maybe audio no na what's it, but obviously a Ghana ni, and then Oshe surrounding na means to say a Ghana has a say a broche Ghana ni bi war Ghana ni bi dia say Ghana ni no sebe one in a year eda or fan a year. Obi baby say ti ene ye ka ho asem de ama video yi cover because occasionally almost every year how about say Ghana ni bia be video bo obi dia na de ama video yi cover viral kra and say nipa kra no wo bo ni din na o si kweku menu te say wo bodia afre insio kese wo Ghana ha say insio kese bia wonim say ye di bodia ndra me ma moti ase say lady bi e wo bechem wo bodia e man krofo 6 ewu na Ghana sabi insio de yenka se ebia yemfa antoa inhira oda de bia bo ne ye de bo eya na me pese obi ka se me de antoa ehira na ya hwe se yes inhira no ebebe mu ana anyway wabodua se abranche bi efa na yere na edin a wo boy Kweku Menu o si Kweku Menu ti na Ghana fo bebre ye o mo se Ghanaian actor na ye friend Kweku Menu no ono ene ya bo ne dua sa no. We have gone down into the particular thing. We know what is going on. Eye Kweku Menu foforo enye yankasa ye Kweku Menu no. Enye Ghanaian musician Kweku Menu. Another Kweku Menu bia em se wono nso wo ye Ghana ni awo wa abrochire. Inti no metres a Kweku Menu ne picture. But the me person me yen say yen konko tie the full audio. You are seeing the visuals right in front of you. You are not hearing the audio. Me person you go tie audio no, and then you guys will get to know the level of abranche say ne ebufuo na wode yesade na ewi a ye bekasa ewo asemwe so de bia ye kan sem ye wi a bekasa wa asemwe so nti yenko na yenko tie asem a eye abranche eduabo na wo boye no isio anyanta akonadu apepe sai sai mi free Kweku Menu ne ma di na chima me di ni sama ame Kweku Menu e fiafre poma mo di treat me koya mo di ma fa so no se Kweku Menu uni afiada anyanta akonadu apepe onku afia omma mo enifra etwa yare bibia mo di afa me ho Kweku Menu ni me irada wo de o sin kofo yire mu nko na ubedi wo kofo yire mu nko na uni obedi Kweku Menu bibia obe obi asibia me to enifra etwa ohama se wo ni afiafre poma aye me yire no a wo se ye wadanfo wa wadi na firi nsem amapa wo ne da wo be fa na ba ho mache se Kweku Menu wo de wo de wo ho ebedi kofo yire mu obama me ne me yire ebusu asai ni hu me na Kweku Menu e anyanta akonadu apepe bobo awa abijai onku uni afia nyina kwa mo de mafaso antonya ma akonadu apepe anyanta enku Kweku Menu uni asafu pomba mungu se kwa mo de mafaso antonya ma enku anyanta apepe akonadu enku nu mienu nyina enti etiefo em say audio no yabo aka video no hona no na moetie no now metremo Kweku Menu kra wo ka ne ho asem but senior medin country no eba say no na nkofo bebre ebo Ghanaian actor Kweku Menu din na utie video ni ye a obetumi de akoechi na wetie ni ye utie ni ye a asem a wo ka ne say enam em say ne yere ede nensa abre no na Ghana ha say wo yere ede wonsa abre wa na trese wo gya wo awawe timi susu se ensana na yere ne de bre no eno na odi bodua no because susu se ono na danfo bia efe ne Kweku Menu no ono e na se be worry ne yere we chi a ama ne yere egya no a eno hunti wo ba be bodua no. From the video, that's what I gather. Na asemwe ya asembia obi anim se eba odo ene sansense na ya na ne ka eyeden but papa no obviously ebufuo and award ye BBC. I'll read comments from Ghanaians and then you guys will get to know what is actually going down. But before then, no, I'll let you guys see the Kweku Menu are working on one because some people Ghana they assemble as some people are trying to target on Kweku Menu say Kweku Menu waware na say Kweku Menu are working on one and the picture and the down screen so sisiano na yebebo eye biskadana prempe abaso or asem no odomo esuko and atese wokonya Kweku Menu picture and atese what they aba nti Kweku Menu kra ye ka se ana papa yi kan se wo bo nidua na wafa ne yere wama ne yere jano ene nsem bebre no wono ne picture and atese eda mu screen so but see and subscribe and click the notification bell so I mean yes this Kweku Menu's picture nti no asem no I'll read some comments from Ghanaians but media makan wa ha say all of these things oya obi bebo obi dia na atese nipa ko no asem na ne ya sebe obi eni ho a ebia bibie si a ne ni beje a wo beka se me bi enije kwa akobodua da bi obviously obi be bibi obi be bodua na to say obi aye ne bibi but I keep on saying this right one sisi a papa ya ba be bodua yemfa ne se eye ne krese Kweku Menu yi one ne yere ada na wa ba be bodua na edua no enya ne yere na edua no nso enya Kweku Menu no mu ewu like into omuwuria what next like omuwuria we ni beji say wabudie kumenkrofo ana it's just a question I'm asking omuwuria what next yes wabomudua womodi bone no mu ewu nti wo no ewiase mu onye wo bia bone dana ebia na wo bone a wodi ye obi no enye se bia wo kofa ne yiri o but bone ya bone ewiase unye obi bone dana eno ene efe bibi kama se wo bia ya obone na we take action on that person ube hun say ebia won so bone bia obekwa koye obi no kama ebeba also no is even worse than wo diabo a wo de bo ni bakro no. I keep on saying here countless occasions say hey don't put your trust in nipa dasini. I've told you even your parents will not stick with you throughout your life. Ebedu baby no sebe unso ube separate and ebedu baby kra no wo mu bewu you will be alone. At a point in life no you will be alone. Oh mama said den kra at a point in life you will be alone. Inti men sheda and trust ni pasa. So wo do rush wadan fu bim ana wo yiri bim sebe wadan fu ni na dan ti ube bodia ekun omo dabi. They are trusting too much in human beings and never man say won't trust it ewo nipa mu na hu say nipa capable of doing some things na nipa na yasa ade na enya wanwa because unim say oh nipa we die na minim say wo betumi aye ade we me de minim so ye nipa minim say mfomso wo ne ho betumi aye but the ma asem na ehyew a wokobodua ne say ebia unhu say nipa we eni kwan say wotumi ye me ade we na koye me ade we mabone empim bebie eduru. And America no. So now, wabodia, if they die, waiting you gain. Omu wupa, dia infaso and a wo personally when ye free. Ebiana obeya ye kan ho asem ka ebiana one ne wo ma o. Ebiana one ne wo mba. Enti wu bodia na wo mba maami ewu. If only no ewomba, what will your children even think of you? Womunyi ya wombe hu say dabi eye papa no kun ye maame. You think they will love you? They will not. Imagine, what do you imagine? What do you ever be beyond nchen? Video yi akọ viral. Wabodia. Yemfa ne say omo aye sa ade no e na duabo yi aba beka omo. Na chese womu ewu. Do you think people will like to associate themselves with you? Ebetumi ama some business opportunities bia ebia e wose wunya kra no unya biom because nkrofo be hu say abrant e menene koye business na tese anko yepe wo be ba be bomidua. People will not like to associate themselves with you because people don't like to associate themselves with people who like cursing. Oh sorry ya no they will bodia. Why na obey na adwo so wo de ne ho e ba betale o. Into one kasa no it can even make you lose some opportunities bia na nke bia wan koye sa ade we ya ebema wenya. oyere efa wechi na wo pese wo gyan na gyan no nko ebi mo yere fo mo chi no pese mo gyan a no makofa sekan ene mekum nini na chese nini na nkosi hwe o oye nipa o oye nipa untumi ntra me se wiase ma oba e wonso wonya obi bone da ana wonya ade ma obi nu ne ho ewo wo ho da. You can't tell me that. Inti bone a wonso de aye nkrofo bone a wo de aye nkrofo yembodua mehwa papa ya mehwa yes ne niefi wenyi fine mehwa ono nso afa girlfriends bia ebia wejai bi ebi mu nso ejai no wo hwa yes obi a wenyi de obviously in sembisa no he has gone through inti sabe ebia wo papa yi o pese o treme se wo mfa girl a wo mfa na chida inti girl na wa fa na chi ana girl a ebia wo jai no ebia wo ma obi menka se ebia wa promise obi a ware o but ebia oh yes and I disappointed girl be and there was wo bold there will you even be around even aside that krano me de make can say inti wundi wo bi boneda unye wo bi boneda nipa ko na wo ye ne bone no say was wo bold there will you even be around yes yeah wadan for afa it is painful yeah say wadan for afa but please and please please I was say ye senia ebufuo ba anansem bi sia ye be holding on say diabo and I don't know whether it's coincidence or and bra me de bra so mo ana mu tie no mo be kaya bechem lady obi be wi ana ponchi mienu okobodia nkrofo 7 ewu afi lady no ne papa eno no lady ne no mo aso ayeshi because ya order wo mo ekrum wo fa order wo mo say wo mo nko antia because antia na odibo odia no yesi nko ho no nko dane yes eyo say wa bodia ekun obi en America no area say how it works there are natural laws in this world nyankopon ewo no ankasa ne nyansem no wo bo wiase no wo de nyama bi etutu wakwan mu wo de nyama bi hyehye ho say e wo say nyama bi ye adwuma eno ne efe no law of karma na karma no de etre ne say obi ya obone ana wodi obi bone a uyi weni na wodi obi bone a daachi bi no wobi nso de bi be ye ana say wobi de de sin sakra ebe ye that is the law of karma sa na wi asete nyankopon ne nyansem sa no bo wi ase. And there is a saying, say, if people do you something, if someone does bad to you, that is their karma. The way you respond is also your karma. Not just will be do bonia. Say any patrono, ebeba ne so. The same thing I would hear or no, ebeba ne so, ebia ono ne dia krabe chinsa. Won't so send ya wo be reacted to sa bonina ne pakune di no. Won't so that's karma. Into obi do boni na wo de chena. Nso one day obekwa kodi obi bone asem bia ebia e wo se asem no waso ye hye obe won se sense obi di bone a wo de che ne nti won so ye de be chew. The way you responded to that no it was your karma nti wo karma nso na we receive no but obi di bone en o de ebufuo en de wo de sei en de meye ne sei na wo so kodi ni pako ne bone a you too obekwa kodi obi bone ye be ye o de sense a. It's as simple. And there are a lot of girls, there are a lot of ladies, and na womo university no. Omuyi womweni. Ene nkrofo kunu e de dae. Omuyi womweni nkrofo tu omu fusa but still. Omu hu ni say ye niska ene nkrofo kunu e de dae. And womo aware. And they are crying. Ubo say ya no moko osofo ho de mekunu no ye na enye de mekunu ye mekunu oni we da oni we akowo oni we ada oni we akowo or complaining say nikunu efa nechi. Ubo say afei wo de akoto osofo so. Ubo say osofo no be bo mpa ya na osofo na akate ne say emra na wo university no wo ye bibi e de na wo ye afiansa na waka say me wo university no me nso me kofa wo bi obi kunu mekodi obi kunu echi ye kan ne mentie and then also waware na ukunu edi small girls echi no eye oya o de akosi sofu enim sofu no be ka tra clearly e ho na we hu say asem we dey saa na ete nti mesramo Ghana form wa abroche clearly as I said ebetumi aba no say Ghana na see but wa ya yenim environment bi wo ha ohwa onim say nya Ghana ohwa environment we it doesn't look like Ghana. Not to say be a Ghana nya fa na baby but environment it doesn't look like Ghana. We are supposing say e ya abroche mesramo Ghana form wa abroche every single year yakoye say video be go viral every single year Ghana phobia mo abrochi atrese will be di mo bone a mo ba bontin be bodua every single year yet Ghana ha mo abrochi no mo try and say you know there is a saying na Ghana phobia mo abrochi eyo mo kan say oh ufri Ghana na kwa abrochi na say we nya ska kra na sebe usua nyansa because that place no we know say the systems work over there. And so at least say we nya sika kra na one bob brain nya sika kra na at least usua nyansa Ghana for mo abrochi mo na ya mo kasa asem no na Ghana ni awakwa kwotena abrochi na obi edi bone na still abrochi a wowo no a ye susu say usua nyansa senyen Ghana for no na still wu bodi ade a ata say ya yete Ghana ye ne no sebe there's no difference o ata say there's no difference mesremo things like this you shouldn't be doing. Yes, and I'm hu kra na ase eye edienimguase ebre Ghana. Isusu se mo edu abrochi. Wo se ne aye po Ghana abrochi. Isusu se mo edu abrochi. You guys know better now. So you shouldn't be like involving yourselves in some things. Ati ase shouldn't be involving yourselves in some things. You know, asemo da no mo ntra mo adu comment box mo tie for me da ase.